Man, bro, I messed up, bro. I don't know why my hair just keep falling out, bro. Bro, my hair just, players mess up, bro. It's all good. It's that hurt right here. Look at this. Look. Somebody come look at this. I saw the best stuff. YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy Get the Barber, aka GB. What's poppin', everybody? Today's gonna be a special video. I gotta cut my waves. I'm going against the grain. Y'all know what that means. I got the chance of cutting my waves off. It's a little scary right now, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how my waves gonna turn out, but I'm gonna show you guys on camera how to trim your hair step by step. So stay tuned. Let's get it. We're gonna drape up, cape up, lace up. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff, man. Give y'all a quick wave check. This is how we looking right now. This is a long, I think this is about 2 months, 3 months. Alright guys, so we're gonna be trimming this thing down with a 7 guard. Big boy. And for the clipper, we're gonna be using the wall magic clips with that 7 guard, and we're gonna just go completely against the grain. I'm gonna show you how I do the GB crown method. This is how I trim my crown. I don't go with the grain, so I'm gonna show you guys how you get in there, how you trim your crown all even. Before we start this video, I want to talk about against the grain versus with the grain haircuts. With the grain haircuts, usually you're cutting off the top layer. You're not really getting too close to the scalp. You're just cutting off that top layer of waves. Compared to against the grain, you're actually going completely even. So for me personally, I love against the grain because the definition just pops a little bit more, like no cap. Against the grain cut definition, y'all gonna see, it saves my definition compared if I was to go with an actual 3 guard or a 4 guard with the grain. So the main thing we gotta focus on when you cutting against the grain, double up the size of your guards. We're gonna be using the 7 guard compared to 3 with the grain. So I like to play it safe. I like to go with against the grain just to have a little more hair. It adds definition to my waves. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how easy it is, how simple it can be. So just remember, if you're gonna go against the grain, make sure you double up the guard. So basically, if you wanna go with a 2 guard, make sure you're going with a 4 guard. If you wanna cut with a 4 guard with the grain, make sure you cut with an 8 guard against the grain. You know what I'm saying? So you basically just doubling up guard size. If you wanna do a 3, what number you gonna go with? A 6, you know what I'm saying? So it's pretty simple. Make sure you just double the size of your guard and you're gonna be alright. If you're a rookie, I really don't recommend you go against the grain yet. For at least 6 months of your pattern, you wanna lock in your pattern. You wanna make sure the waves on your scalp are trained. If you got a swirl, man, I'm telling you, this is one of the easiest ways to cut a swirl. Most of the time, barbers can mess up our angles and they'll go with a different direction with the swirl, and it ends up cutting off some of our progress rather than going with an against the grain cut. And you really can get in depth of that crown. You trimming down the crown without having to worry about cutting too low, because again, you're cutting with a 7 rather than a 3.5. I don't know what it is about against the grain, but against the grain cuts are way better than a with the grain cut. If you never did against the grain cut, I recommend you try this method. So enough with the talking, let's start this haircut. I'm gonna start off with a nice carbon fiber comb. So we're gonna lift up this hair. I usually go against the grain with it. Since I'm going against the grain, we're gonna lift up the hair completely. So now it's time to lift this hair up before we even get started. Make sure we get a nice, I don't want no hair to be laid down on my scalp. Again, I'm not scared of my crown. I know where my crown is at. So we're gonna be cutting totally against the grain on the crown area as well. Let me see. Wealth, what up with the first Cinco de Mayo of the live? Let's go, my boy. Learn next. What up, bro? Alright, bet. So, you know what I'm saying? It's time to put some work in, man. Y'all see this? Y'all see the wolf? Man. Y'all see this? Y'all see this, bro? Trim my crown at least every 30 days. I don't like going too long and leaving that crown because I can't hit certain angles. Like if I got to swoop, if this hair is too long, it'll start closing up my crown just too much. So we about to start combing this thing back down, then we're gonna go totally against the grain. I just want to lift my hair up, you know what I'm saying, just so I know that no hair is compressed. But man, look at like, bro, why didn't nobody tell me to cut the wolf off? Y'all was just letting me walk around like a sad man, looking like nobody loved me. Looking like nobody love me. I ain't gotta be woofing like this, man. I ain't gotta be woofing like this, man. Alright, so we definitely gotta trim this. It's time to trim this, man. I ain't got no battles coming up, so as you guys know, I don't trim my hair before battles. That's a no-go. I keep definition on top, on the sides, on the crown, so I don't got no battles coming up, so this would be a perfect time to trim my hair. I was just gonna go on IG Live, but you know what I'm saying, I'd rather give you guys an in-depth video of how to cut waves against the grain. So let's start this haircut. I'm a little scared. Not gonna lie. I was gonna do an 8, but a 7 is like that. A 7 gone, you know what I mean? A 7 gone, you know what I'm saying? But so let's just go with a 7. Look at this, bruh. We about to just start off. We about to just start it off, man. So we gonna start off with a 7 open, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna start off on these back waves. Oh man. So I'm just gonna cut totally against the grain. No. I'm scared like if I ain't my barber. Man, I does this, man. Oh shit. So we just gonna go totally against the grain, man. Oh my God, that was a lot of hair. Oh my God. But look, for anybody that wants to learn how to self-cut, this will be the perfect time. All you gotta do is cut against the grain with double the size of your guard. You know what I'm saying? Let me make sure I ain't mess up. I hope I ain't mess up, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I hope I did not mess up. Alright, so let's find this crown real quick. Man, combing even feels different. Oh, we Gucci! It's Gucci! Alright, so as you cutting your hair, make sure you cut and then you comb it back down. I've witnessed a few people just try to go too fast against the grain and they come up with like little patches on their head. So that's because you just cutting against the grain, you just going like this and hairs get in between the guards and it patches you up. But Alright, so we definitely gonna just, you know what I'm saying, we gonna cut it all off. I'm going straight through the crown. Y'all seen that? It's that GB crown method right here. If you got a swirl, man, make sure you cut your crown against the grain. You're gonna see the benefits. You're gonna see there's no more over curl when you're trying to swirl your crown. But again, you can't do this with a low guard. You have to double the size of your guard. Not a 4 guard, not a 5 guard. If you coarse hair, I recommend going with a 5 at least. If you medium, man, you better stick to like a 6 or a 7. If you straight, you better grab a 13 guard. Alright, so y'all see, you know what I'm saying, this stuff looking. So we just gonna cut everything that we haven't trimmed yet, and then we gonna go back and lay it back down. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Make sure everything is even. As you see, the clipper is flat on my head and I'm running it straight back like a, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna do it. I ain't even gonna do it. Alright, so we got that. Everything looking nice and trimmed. Let's go with these back waves a little more. Because the goal is to get a nice even cut. So after I trim everything, I'm still gonna comb everything back down. I'm gonna make sure everything is at a 7 guard. After we trim everything, you know what I'm saying, I see my crown is like right there. I sort of messed up. I'm about to find that, isolate it, open that up. We got these top waves still busting. That's all I needed, you know what I'm saying? As long as I lose definition, I'm good with cutting against the grain. It's all about learning what guard you can maximize your hair with. Players mess up, bro. It's all good. It's that hurt right here. Look at this. Look. Somebody come look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I capped just a little bit. I ain't mess up. But I'm just saying, y'all thought I messed up. Look, everybody in this live thought I messed up. If you're on my IG live, you thought I messed up. So now we're about to just make sure everything's laid. And we're gonna do this one more time. We're gonna go totally against the grain. As you see, and I went against this crown just like that. I went through it. But we're gonna make sure we, you know what I'm saying, we know what I'm saying, we lock it in. Alright, so we're gonna start off this up. So this is that 7 open. And we just gonna go straight through the crown. Man, I haven't cut my hair like this in about 2 months, man. No, I'm trying to stay away from this. I need that hook a little longer. Alright, so that's all it is, you know what I'm saying? We go straight against the grain. The myth is over. Whoever said you can't cut waves against the grain, don't listen to them. They probably not even at home babysitting their kids. They probably don't even know they were. Okay, I gotta chill. Chill, GG, chill. But yeah, y'all get it. People be lying on these streets, you know what I'm saying? So don't be letting these people lie to you. If your hair is trained, you can cut against the grain and nothing will happen. Nothing, nada. Alright, so we're gonna cut that crown. Oh no! Oh no, the clipper died! How? Why? No! No! Alright guys, well that concludes this video. Oh man. Hey, that be the sign. That be the sign from above. That's it, GB. That's it. Don't cut no more. That's it. You trimmed everything. Everything look even. You know what I'm saying? Oh no, this side look a little shorter. How the hell this side looks shorter than this? What's going on? Alright, but that's it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Everything look even. That's the goal. You know what I'm saying? So we about to comb this stuff back down. Alright, so that concludes the video, man. We about to comb this stuff back down. And I'm gonna show y'all the results. Oh man, that must have been just a sign. That was just a sign, you know what I'm saying, from the man above, man. He like, chill out, GB, you got it. Everything is trimmed already. You don't need to keep trimming. You just wanted to trim the wolf off, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm about to go do a washing style. If you on my IG live, big shout out to y'all, man. If you bought a badge on my live, big shout out. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me give the people a shout out on my YouTube. Whoever bought a badge, man. Cause I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying? You're not just taking these gems, y'all really out here supporting your boy. Woo, I almost pulled my earring off. But yeah, man, this is how we looking with a 7 against the grain. I'm about to go lay it down with I'm about to go do a washing style. Not really focused on the lay, but y'all see everything's laid, everything's in place. And that's just what I needed. I need a little more control on my crown. I didn't need all the hair on my head. So that's looking good. That's exactly what I needed. Back waves busting. Okay, this left side scared me. This left side scared me, so we definitely about to go do a washing style right now. Hey, so big shout out to 360 Reese, shout out to Electric Waver, shout out to LearnX, shout out to Wealth Off the Net, and shout out to DQ for always showing love, man. Stopping by my live, buying the badge to support the gang. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. It's your boy GB Wolf. I'm about to go get busy. We on IG Live, you know what I'm saying? So if you don't follow me on IG, make sure you follow me, gifted_barber, you know what I'm saying? If you ain't following me, what you doing? If you haven't hit the subscribe button, make sure you smash that button. If you like this video, if you learned anything from this video, make sure you hit that like button, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy GB Wolf. I'm out of here.
Hold on, man. Wait a minute. Stop rushing.
Wait a minute, man.
Stop rushing.
You see that light?
Stop rushing like this.